Hi students, I just wanted to show you how you can make these words bigger so everybody could see them if you are the presenter in the big blue button. Okay, so what you're going to do is you need to click on the hand, and if the hand isn't there, you just click on the pencil and you'll get the hand. So you need the hand. And then you're going to go down here at the bottom, you see a plus sign, so click on that, and that will keep making it bigger. See, every time I click it, it makes it bigger. And let's say I want to move it around, I can click on the hand and hold and drag, and I can move it around like this. And then if I need to make it smaller, I can click here on the minus sign. And then yeah, if somebody else wants to take presenter, they can click on this plus sign here in the bottom left-hand corner. That means take presenter. So here are the important things to remember when you are presenting.